Hello, welcome to Argis TV. So in this video, mag-solve tayo ng math board exam problem na from time rates. Alright? So the diameter of a circle, 10 cm, and with its chord, okay, decreasing. Na, okay, decreasing. At the rate of 1 cm per minute. Determine the rate by which the arc subtended by the chord is changing when the chord is 8 centimeter long. So first, let us illustrate the problem. Okay? So we will draw okay, the figure na. Siyempre, since tayo ay time race, no, we have to get the derivative of something no, with respect to time. Okay? So that means we need to set up an equation. Okay? So since this is geometry or trig problem, um, uh, of course, now we need a figure. Okay? So let's start by drawing a circle. Ayan na. Okay? So let's say ito yung center. Then we will draw a chord. Okay? So let's say ito yung ating chord. Then draw the lines na from the endpoints ng chord. Okay? Pupunta sa center. Ayan. Okay. Then remember no, okay, pag mag-draw tayo ng perpendicular line from the center, okay, to that chord, that line is uh, bisecting the chord, no? Okay? Yan, perpendicularly. Yan. Okay, so let's say the length of this chord is x. So that means no, yung kada ano, okay, kada division, so meron tayong x over 2. Yan. Okay? Then the radius r. So kung ang given diameter is 10, so that means the radius is 5 cm. Alright? Then let's say this whole angle is theta. So, hatiin natin sa dalawa. Okay, so each one is theta over 2. Ayan. So, simply, no, kung ito yung ating arc length, no, okay? So, let's say that is S. The arc length natin is equal to R times theta. Now, yung theta mo dyan, syempre, naka radian yan. Okay? So, simply, yung ating S dito is the radius of 5 times theta. So, ang concern na lang natin dito is to get theta, okay? Yung ating theta, ayan, yung theta should be a function of x, okay? Or the chord. Na para rekta tayo guys mag-derivative. Kasi since tayo naman ay board exam problem, we will use the derivative function sa calculator. Okay? Now, tingnan niyo tong ano, triangle dito. Okay, this one. Okay, yung right triangle diyan. Okay? So, with respect to the angle theta over 2, so meron tayong opposite side and then the hypotenuse. So, we can use the sine function. So, the sine of the angle theta over 2 is equal to, opposite is x over 2 over 5. So, this simply give us x over 10. Then, get theta over 2. So, kukunin mo yung arc sine. No? Ayan. So, theta over 2 is the arc sine of x over 10. So that means our theta is equal to, okay, 2 times the arc sine, okay, ng x over 10. Now, ibalik mo yung theta doon sa ating s. Okay? So therefore, we will get the equation or the expression for s equal to, so 5 times, ano yun? 2 arc sine ng x over 10, or s natin is 10, okay, the arc sine of, okay, x over 10. Okay, so pinapahanap, okay, yung rate at which the arc, okay, is changing. Ayan. Okay, so pinapahanap guys yung dsdt. So what is the value of dsdt? Okay, when, okay, the length of the chord, ayan, is 8. So, at x is equal to 8. Okay, may given tayong ano, rate ng chord. Sabi diyan decreasing. Okay, so that means yung ating dx dt, okay, is negative what? 1 cm per minute. Okay? So, sa calculator, yung ating, ds dt is simply, okay, yung derivative na with respect to time, okay, nung ating s dito which is, 10 arcsine ng, x/10. Okay, evaluated at x is equal to what? 8. Siyempre ito 'di ba with respect to time, so ibig sabihin meron ka pa diyang, okay, dx dt, okay, na -1, okay? So 'yan, so puwede mo na siyang irekta sa calculator, okay? Yan, so type natin 'no. So since tayo ay merong trigo 'no, na function, okay, whether it is ano, sine, cosine o kaya naman naka-inverse basta trigo, okay, make sure na tayo ay naka-radian, okay? Then derivative, type mo lang yon, then arcsine, okay, close ko agad, baka malimutan, ng x/10, okay, evaluated when x is 8, alright, then times, okay, -1, okay, so negative 1.67, dx dt is, negative 1.67, okay, cm per minute, okay, kasi ano yan eh, arc, no, length of arc, okay. The negative sign here, okay, meaning yan, the arc is decreasing, decreasing, okay. Alright, so among the choices, the answer is letter A, yung ating negative 1.67 cm per minute. Okay, so that's it na. Thank you for watching.